I am going to teach you or learn you a very beautiful, lovely topic, that is look, listen and speak. It is from your textbook, my English textbook too. Look how beautiful picture of your textbook, front cover. Boys and girls are playing there. Someone is drawing, someone is fluting, someone is playing with bird sparrows, and someone is flying a kite in the sky. How beautiful picture it is. Now I am going to learn you a very another topic from your class, my English textbook. Here a sparrow pampering his kid, teaching him how to fly in the sky, how to live in a society. Similarly, your mother and father wants to you. You have to speak English language, you have to say in English language, you have to understand whatever you learn in English language. Today, I am also going to tell you a very beautiful topic. Look, listen and speak from your textbook. Here, do you know the party? Yes, I know that you know the party, and especially a picnic party along with your mother and father. Did you have enjoyed this picnic party? In a garden, in a shore of a sea, in a bank of the river, near the bank of the rivers. I know you have catch many fly, you have catch fishes, fly kites, horse ride, camel riding, playing on the seashore. It's a very enjoyable day for yourself. I know it very well. Same here. A group of a family of squirrel here to enjoy or celebrating a picnic party in a garden. Look this picture. How beautiful picture it is. Some squirrel along with their father and mothers, grandfather and grannies, they are enjoying a picnic party. How beautiful place is there. How beautiful sky and pictures for you. Grandfather and grandmother, uncle and aunties asking some questions to the little squirrels. Now we will look these questions. Look at the nest. Oh, what beautiful. What are you doing? I am looking at the nest. Oh, nest. Oh, what a beautiful. Do you know the nest? Yes, it is a home of the birds and sparrows, or maybe the crow. They lay their eggs in the nest. Their kids live in the nest, and also they, as you and your father and mother live in a home, same there. The kids of the birds and sparrows live in the nest. Oh, very beautiful, I know. What are you doing? Some squirrel asked the question to a little squirrel. I am drawing a picture. Do you like drawing? Yeah, I know it. Some other squirrel grandfather asked the question. What are you doing? Hmm, I am sleeping under the tree. I am sleeping. Sleeping means to lay down yourself. Very good. Genie asked the question, what are you doing? Or what's going on? I am reading. Yeah, reading is a good habit. Do you read? I know, you read very well. Father asked the question, what are you doing? Oh, 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 a blue butterfly. I am looking to a blue butterfly. Do you know butterfly? How it fly? It fly with all its spins. Oh. Now, count all the squirrel in the picture. How many squirrel in the pictures? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yes, there are 10 squirrels in the picture. They are doing various works. Again, look at the picture. How many trees in the picture? During the tree is a big creature of the God in our planet. Tree have leaves, flowers, and home for the birds and squirrel also. How many trees in the picture? There is one tree in the picture. Very good. Grandmother asked a question to the little squirrel. How many clouds floating in the sky? Count them. Now she counted the squirrel. You have to also count. How many clouds in the sky? Count them. 1, 2, 3. Yes, there are 3 clouds in the sky. Yes, 3 clouds. Now, another question asked by the grandmother. What is the color of the sky? Do you know the sky? Yes, a blue shape, blue color shape above our height. It's called sky. Very good. Now look at this picture. How many colors in the umbrella? Count the colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, there are 7 colors in the umbrella. Very good. How many flowers are you looking in the picture? Observe the picture very clearly, very carefully, and count the flower. How many flowers in the picture? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, there are 11 pictures of flowers in the picture, or flower in the picture. Now, some activities is given for you in this picture, in this chapter for you. Now, I will tell you, and I will ask you, and you have to guess the color. Okay? Something is blue. You have to guess and answer me. Something is blue. Yes, the sky is blue. Something is green. Guess now. Yes, grass is green. Something is yellow. Yes, basket is yellow. Very good. Something is white. Guess it. Yes, clouds are white. Very good. Something is nice. Guess it. I know you can do it. Yes. Oh, beautiful butterfly is nice. Very good. Something is red. Guess it. Yes, ball is red. Very good. Something is pink in the picture. You can guess. Guess it. Yes, a pink color mat. Something is orange in the picture. Guess it. Yes, sun is orange color. Very good. Something is black in the picture. Yes, the birds are black in the picture. Now look at this picture of an umbrella and tell me how many colors are you seeing in this umbrella, and count this color. Count this color with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7 colors in the umbrella. Do you know the name of the colors? Okay, let's count the name of color with myself. Red, purple, blue, orange, green, yellow, and violet. Very good. Or orange color. Very good. Look and listen and answer with me. Some questions is there for yourself. There are 3 questions here. You have to answer the question to me. Okay. Where is the egg? Do you know the egg? Yes, it is white shape. It's oval shape and white colored. It's called eggs. Where are you see the egg in the picture? Look the picture very carefully. Yes, the eggs are in the nest. The eggs of the birds. Maybe the crow or maybe the birds. Very good. Where is the umbrella? Look at the picture and observe it very carefully. Look at the picture. Where is the umbrella? Yes, under the tree. The umbrella is under the tree. Very good. Where is the ball? Did you play with the ball? Do you know the ball? Yes, I know it. Did you play with the ball? Yeah, there are many kinds of ball. Football, soccer ball, volleyball, cricket ball, tennis ball or plastic ball. Very good. Now where is the ball? Near to the squirrel. Very good. Near to the basket. Very good. Now I have given some activity for you. You have to look at the picture and gauge the meaning of their gesture or their face. Okay, now look at this picture. Now look at this picture and tell me, what are you doing? Yes, I am smiling. Now next picture for yourself. What are you doing? What's going on? I am laughing. Very good. What's going on? I am sleeping or I am laying. Laying also means just put your back on a bed. It's called laying. Or buzzing. Buzzing means just lay down on the bed. Very good. Now the next. What's going on? I am eating. Very good. Eating's action is there. What's going on? Look at the picture and tell me what's going on. Yes, it's called climbing. I am climbing. Which animal climb on the tree? Do you know it? Monkey, squirrel, and many other animals can climb on the tree. Panda is also there. Very good. What's going on? I am seeing. I am watching. Very good. What's going on? Yeah, I am seeing in the sky. Very good. What's going on? Look at the picture and guess it. I am reading. Very good. You all are awesome. You are all presenting this very good. You are very intelligent. Now, students, you have to do many activities at your home by your own, and you have to speak in English like eating, drinking water, running, jogging on a place. Do you know jogging? Your grandmother and grandfather jog, go for a jog in the morning or in the evening. Yes, and also cutting cucumbers, carrots, cuttings. Very good. Now, many other actions is there for yourself like clapping, jumping, and reading, writing, speaking, shouting. Shouting? Do you know shout? Do you shout many times? Yes, shout means to speak very loudly. Drawing to draw a picture. Skating, do you play skating? Skating means to wear the skates in your leg and go on the road. Skating, very good. And flying means which animal fly in the sky? Yes, birds fly in the sky. And do you know many other actions Any other actions? Just get is yes, brushing with teeth, brushing and bathing. Very good. Wearing clothes, riding cycles, running, playing hockey, playing cricket, playing soccer, playing volleyball or tennis. Shuttlecock is there. Very good. You have no very games and or action. So this you have to speak this action in the English language so that you have to able to speak English language by your own. If you do more practice, then you will speak definitely. Practice makes man perfect. Is practice. You see, if you do, then definitely you will be the future of English language. So much thank you for yourself to watching me. Thank you.